Hey everyone, this is cabin 8038. This is a deluxe balcony here on the Grandiosa. As you come in, we'll go all the way, and you know what? We're going to go look at the balcony right away. There's a little lock up here for the children. Look at the size of the balcony. Really generous sized balcony on this ship, at least in this particular cabin. Great views towards the back of the ship. Or is that the front of the ship? Yeah, that's the front of the ship. We're all the way here towards the front. There's the bridge up there. So yeah, nice views. You can almost look straight down at the water. So yeah, love this balcony. Love the space. 2 chairs and a bench. As we come back into the cabin, as you can see, there's a sofa, which in a lot of cases will convert to be a bed. Nice and comfortable. Across from that, you have your TV, of course, right there, which is on a swivel. Lighted mirror, 3 shelves. There's a refrigerator here, a mini bar. You've got 5 drawers. From a power standpoint, you have 2 US, 2 USB, and 2 European. Now, over by the bed, it is a king-size bed. Now, remember, this is in 360, so you can articulate this around and look at different views. If you want to look up, look up. If you want to look down, you can look down. But anyway, this is a king-size bed, or it could be 2 twins if you want to separate it. From a power standpoint, there's USB on either side underneath that little silver thing there, okay? From the closet, you have 2 sides. One side is your safe and drawers. The other side is all hanging. There you go. And then we'll get into the bathroom. Check that out. Bathroom is a great size in this class of ship. Toilet's in a great place for someone my height at 6'4". Right, you got a nice corner mirror, corner sink, soap dispenser, shelves. Now the shower itself is also a generous size for someone my height and size, so you won't have any issues. So there you go. Here's your deluxe balcony. Ciao.